Here's a cool invention. How about a little robotic bug, roughly the size of a dragonfly, which can behave like a drone, but with capabilities to get into locations that you couldn't necessarily get a full-scale drone. Now, these little things, they had a hard time manufacturing this because often if you're trying to make a drone type device the size of a bug, it's going to be really fragile with using rigid materials and wings. And so they actually found a way to do it with a new type of material, or at least a new technique, a new way to use this material. Previously, tiny robots used rigid actuators built from ceramic materials, and if it would crash or run into something, then it would have a hard time dealing with the collision. This new version uses actuators made of thin rubber cylinders coated in carbon nanotubes, producing an electrostatic force that squeezes and elongates the rubber cylinder. Repeated elongation and contraction causes the drone's wings to beat fast. And so that actually, this is a good demonstration. Obviously, that's why I put the video out. But it does have a bug-like kind of float to it with the wings. And if you were to see it in slow motion, you would see that inner component. Oh, here we go. Is that a video? Can you play that? Oh, here we go. It's going to show us the actuator right now. And hopefully in slow motion, you'll see it elongating and contracting. There you go. Which in turn flaps the wings. And now you're saying to me, Will, why do you need this tiny little 0.6 gram or 0.02 ounce drone? By the way, that's the weight of a paperclip.
Yeah. So I can swat it.
Hey, man. No, because when you have like an earthquake or something.
I hear you. Yeah. I was joking, by the way.
And the building collapses.
Yeah, you want these little guys to go in and check if there's any survivors.
There you go, Will. Yeah. There you go.
It's a cool idea.
Technology, man. And look, it's robust. They try to slam it and it survives. It's robust, man. Cool, whatever. Shout out, mini drone.
Cool.